Good morning, prospectors. Keith and Wynn prospecting in Northwest. Here we are back at Eagle City, finally. It's like the end of July. I feel like I've been gone forever. It's been one of those summers where we just can't seem to get out and get to mining. You can see lots of people set up on the creek here. I have made it out a couple times. Set up. We have dug out all the overburden that came in from the winter, and we're back on the bedrock. I think this crack right here is where we're finding the nuggets. I'll find out today because I'm going to start hitting this area today. Wynn's been working some of the bedrock over here, cleaning it out. She's going to continue doing that. It's Friday, so pretty quiet around here. You can see I have piles of buckets everywhere, so I'm going to be filling these while she works the bedrock. But like I said, I'm back on the bedrock down here. You can see it's poking back out. It's starting to rise over here. And you can see it comes over on this backside. There's a ledge here, and it drops off. I want a pretty steep drop off here. And then there's a little crevice down there. And so what I'm thinking, back in the day when this was an old tertiary riverbed, the flow came through here and it came across here and then dropped off here like a little mini waterfall, I'm hoping. And down there I'm thinking is where we're going to find the gold. So I'm going to keep chasing this ridge and see where it goes. And hopefully find the mother lode. And then I can retire and do this all the time. I still plan on working that over there and testing it for you. But like I said, it's been a late start, and I think the gold's over here, so I have to work where I think the gold is right now. But we're finally set up, got the toy hauler here. We got the next 3 months where we're not doing nothing but coming to Eagle City and working here pretty much every weekend. So that's the plan. Beautiful day, supposed to be in the 90s today. Like I said, it's Friday, so it's pretty quiet on the stream still. Tomorrow's probably going to be busy. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it out here. This is why I do this stuff. Later. Alright, prospectors, so I've been digging for about 3 hours. Really opened my hole up quite a bit. Looks like my crack here is going to end because it looks like it's going to hit bedrock, but I don't know. It may just be a little blurb there and then it may keep going. I don't know. But I'm working back there to open this all up so I can really get in here and really work it really well. See, I have all my buckets full, well, half full or a third full, so that Wynn can work them. Shade finally moved in, so it's a little bit cooler, so that's good. And the raptor is doing its raptoring thing. These are those new rubber mats, damping mats here. We have way less bubbles down here in our lower sloughs. So we really like those new rubber mats. Okay, prospectors, so I've cleaned out the hole pretty much. I got it opened up to where I wanted it. I'm gonna step down here. You can see I'm working with basically 4 layers here. I have the overburden, which I'm taking off and just tossing. I worked this layer yesterday from here to about here, all the way around, you know, this whole area here. Found very, very, very little gold.
How goes it? Holy bucket load!
And then today I'm working this dark layer right here, down to the clay layer. We'll see what we get. And then tomorrow I'm gonna get down to these big bedrocks, or these big round river boulders, which technically is where the gold should be, right? That's what I'm thinking. So I'm not expecting to find much in this black layer. They call that the dinosaur layer. But people around just said they found a little. I'm expecting when I get down to the bedrock, I'm on bedrock like right here. And so hopefully when we get down to these big riverbed cobbles down here, which, you know, is a sign of good gold, we're going to find the nuggets again. So you see Wynn's working the last of the gold, last of the black stuff here. Pat and Keith, nice to meet you.
Oh, it's a camera. Okay.
This is GoPro.
He does a lot of videos. That's cool. I'll be right.
So today is Jeremy's son Carter's birthday. We're having a small get together tonight. I think he came down here to tell us they moved it.
Right.
I heard that. So
Eagle's Nest.
Eagle's
Yeah,
Nest.
I heard your video and so I was like,
Yeah, we're fine.
I said I want this bucket and this bucket. Wait a second, I gotta look for. I don't want some rocks. I want some material.
All right, so we'll show you if we find anything in this stuff. Like I said, I did a clean out of that the other layer and found 2 or 3 little specks, so I didn't take a picture of it. It wasn't worth it. I'll take a picture of this stuff. You can see we're in full mold here.
I'm always for the work keeper.
Tools of the trade: pickaxe, shovel, bigger pickaxe. So I'm in the clay stuff. I just kind of want to show you what we go through to get this stuff out of the clay and this big riverbed gravel stuff. Yeah, so look at that stuff. Nasty, nasty clay. All the rocks get put in a bucket. They all get washed in the rafter. And we keep moving on. Like I said, this is the clay layer. It's on between the black layer up here and the bedrock down here. So this is where I think the gold is. We found some okay gold up here in this black layer. So you can see these big riverbed cobbles, they sit on clay. And then there's clay underneath them. And somewhere under here is the bedrock. So I slowly work my way along, moving these big cobbles out. Get as much clay off them as I can. And put them in a bucket and move them over towards the rafter. We were debating on if this guy was a piece of bedrock or if he was a piece of cobble. Pretty sure he's cobble. And the bedrock is right here. So this is probably sitting right on top of bedrock. So this is where I'm expecting to find some nice gold, hopefully. You just keep chipping away at them. I bring the big pickaxe in to move the bigger stuff, but when you get to this little stuff, it just bounces off. It causes more trouble than it helps. This is a slow process. And it's Sunday morning, it's early, and I'm moving kind of slow, so. Alright, so I just kind of want to show you the process a little bit. Show you what we're dealing with this nasty clay. That could be bedrock right there. So this could be sitting on a little hole here. Alright. I'm gonna get to working. See if I can get this boulder out of here. Talk to y'all later. So you see that's bedrock right there. And that was sitting on the bedrock. So hopefully that's where all the gold is. I'm gonna clean this guy off the best I can. You see that's more clay. And this little crevice down in there. So hopefully that's where the gold is, right down in there. Alright. We'll continue working this and we'll let you know what we find. Later. Alright, prospectors, so I ran that stuff off the clay on the bedrock, and you can see right there, right in the carpet, there's a nugget. I'm going to pull it out for you. Nugget, yeah, and there's another one right there, right on top of the carpet. Look at that, nuggies. So you know if these are sitting right on top of the carpet, there's more in there someplace, because they just don't sit on top without there more being underneath. So we're back on the nuggets, woohoo! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Found some nice chunky nuggets this time. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down at the bottom there. You can also, I guess there's a little bell somewhere you can hit to remind you. Also, if you'd like, you can support our channel and get some of our really cool tie-dye. Visit our store on Amazon.com and search Tie-Dye Darlin'. Or you can click the link below to get you straight there. And as always, you all be safe out there. Till the next one, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.